Hello friends, today we are seeing the distinct function. The distinct function is used to remove the duplicate value. Okay, so let's start. So first we have to check select. So first we have to check our table first. Select star from EMP3 is our table. So let's check the data first from the table. Okay, so this is the table ID 1232. You can see here 2 bob 4000, that entry will be repeated, means that is the duplicate entry. So if we have to remove the duplicate entry, for that we can use the distinct function. So let's start. Then we have to use select distinct. Then we can use star also, or the column from where we have to remove star from EMP3. Okay, let's check then. Okay, you can see here it will be just taking the unique records, means the duplicate value it will be removing. It will take only one time for that value, and after it will be removed if the duplicate is there. So like this way we can remove the duplicate. Same way we can remove duplicate by using the column also. For example, like consider this way. This is the table. If we have to consider a particular table, then we can use select a particular column if you require, like distinct. Then for example we required name column and ID column. So ID comma name from EMP3. Okay, and we run. So you can see here ID and name, the duplicate value will be removed and only the non-duplicate data will be present. So this way distinct is used to remove the duplicate record from the table. So that's it. Thank you.